Hello, welcome to Cool Kitchen. Do you know? In history, a reference of Dahi Vada recipe is found in Mansolasa, a 12th century Sanskrit encyclopedia compiled by Someshwara III. Descriptions of Dahi Vada also appear in literature from 500 before century. But today, Dahi Vada is prepared on festivals such as Holi, Ramjan and Eid. Also, it is enjoyed for snacks. So let's check out the recipe. First, we will wash and soak our urad dal for 4 to 5 hours. Now, we will remove all the water from dal as we need very minimum water for grinding this dal. Now, let's take dal in mixer jar without water. If required, use water, but it should not be more than 1/4 cup water for this quantity of dal. Now, add salt to taste. Also add black pepper powder and grind it to smooth batter. Now you can see our dal batter is ready. Let's take out it in a mixing bowl. Similarly, we will grind rest of the dal. Now that the grinding part is done, we need to whisk it for 5 minutes. Whisking dal batter helps vada to become light and fluffy. So whisking part is very important. Now as you can see, our batter is little light and airy. So this batter is ready for frying. Oil should be medium hot. It should not be too hot. Otherwise, vadas will not get cooked from inside. Apply water to your hands and drop dollop of batter in oil. Fry vadas on medium heat till they become golden brown. For dahi vadas or dahi bhallas, shape of vada doesn't matter a lot, so you can easily drop batter into oil. As you can see, vadas are ready. They look perfectly fried. Let's take them out in room temperature water. Allow them to sit in water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Similarly, we will make remaining vadas also. As vadas are ready now, let's prepare curd. Take chilled curd in mixing bowl and add sugar and salt to it. Whisk this curd till all the sugar get dissolved. You can make this curd ahead of time and store it in refrigerator also. Our chilled sweet curd is ready now. You can see consistency also. We need same consistency. Our curd is also ready. Let's shift back to our vadas. Remove vadas from water with pressing lightly in between your palm to remove excess water. By dipping hot vadas into room temperature water will help vadas to soak our sweet curd. So this step is also very important for dahi vada or dahi bhalla. Before assembling this dish, please note down its ingredients. For assembling, first arrange all the vadas on a plate. Now cover all the vadas with our sweet curd. Use good amount of curd as it will taste really yum. As this is one of the chaat dish, we need green chutney or a mint chutney. You can add mint chutney as per your taste. You can get recipe of this green chutney as well as sweet chutney in our channel. You can find a link in description box. After green chutney, add sweet chutney too. Kids really love this sweet and sour chutney on this dahi vada. Now after all the wet ingredients, we will sprinkle some dry spices. To start with, we will first sprinkle red chili powder. Then we will use some chaat masala and also we are using some cumin coriander powder. You can adjust quantity as per your taste. Lastly, add some crunchy thin sev. Last but not the least, top up with some coriander greens. It will give a freshness and nice look to your dish. This is really tempting appetizer for this summer. So do try it. Let us know how you like this recipe. Like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel if not done already. Press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from our channel. Thank you.